Yo, what's going on YouTube? I was on the way out and UPS stopped by, dropped off a little something something. If you're anything like me, you can't wait to open something up, so I'm gonna open this up before I head out. And then we're gonna get to installing this sometime within this weekend. But let's check it out. So, we just got this package from Bulletproof Fabrications. Sent it over. Let's see what's in the box, eh? Might be kind of cool. Little hardware packet. So what we got here is the Bulletproof Fabrications front grille. It's gonna go on the Tacoma whenever I got some time to, but whew, looks pretty good. Pretty fucking sick. Also picked up this Army Green TRD badge on Etsy. It's gonna go about right there. Looks pretty sick. So before I go ahead and install this, I just wanted to say, full disclosure, I did get it for free for marketing purposes. Also, full disclosure, I was already looking at this exact front grille before they even hit me up. So let's get into it, eh? The new grill in the insert. So here's it mounted to the truck. All right, and that's what it looks like mounted. It looks pretty good. Sick. So now we're just gonna take it out and go do some photos, and I'll see you guys out there, and then we'll take one final look at this grill. We're out here taking some pictures. Just wanted to go in a little bit more about this grill. It is metal, aluminum, I would assume. I'm gonna have to look it up for you guys if you guys really need to know specifically. The TSS sensor did get moved down. It's not up here anymore. It's down here. It's a two-tone, so you have this nice, I don't know what kind of black it is, but it's black, and then you have this nice like matte black around the outside. Here's a closer look for you guys. So for the lettering, it is a vinyl. You can get these in different colors. I think they have white, black, and this camo. I'd have to like confirm that for you guys, but I went with the camo, the black camo. Looks pretty sweet. I'm gonna be probably wrapping everything soon, so wrapping the rack and then possibly doing a little side wrap just so I could mitigate all the scratches. My bad for the road noise. I'm in the middle of a street. Hope you guys like the new front end. I love it. It looks sick. Definitely This grill changed the front end a lot. If you guys are interested in this grill specifically, or this front recovery point, visit bpfabricating.com. Some super cool people. Yeah, hope you guys have a good one. See you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.